If you are in your 20s, these next 13 minutes could be the most important 13 minutes of your life. Because the people who build the right money habits in their 20s become financially free by the time they hit 40. And those who spend these 10 years just having fun keep running from paycheck to paycheck for the rest of their lives. Today in this video, I am going to tell you 10 such money habits that if you start following from today, your financial life will completely change in the next 10 to 15 years. And the most important thing, all of these are practical. Anyone, no matter what their salary is, can adopt them. So let's get started. You see, most people think that to build wealth, you need to earn a massive amount of money. But the truth is, wealth is built by habits, not income. Oh, come on! There are so many people who earn hundreds of thousands, yet remain drowned in debt, and there are people on an average salary who build a solid bank balance. The only difference is, their habits are different. So today we will talk about those exact 10 habits. The very first and most important habit is pay yourself first. What do most people do? The salary arrives, they pay all their expenses first. Rent, EMI, shopping, outings, and whatever is left over, they save. And most of the time, nothing is left. You need to reverse this. As soon as your salary hits, immediately pull out at least 20% of your income and put it into a savings or investment account. Run your month on the remaining money. Happily. This is a tiny mindset shift, but its impact is massive, because when saving happens first, you automatically mold your expenses around it. Now let's talk about the second habit, which is tracking your expenses. You will be shocked
to know how much money is wasted every month simply because we have no idea where it went. Little things, daily coffee, and used subscriptions, extra food delivery charges, all these together swallow thousands of rupees every month. Use a simple expense tracker app, or just write your expenses down in a Google Sheet. Just track honestly for 1 month. You will see for yourself where the money is leaking. Awareness is the first step to control. Now, the third habit is building an emergency fund. The biggest roadblock in the journey of financial freedom is unexpected expenses, a medical emergency, job loss, or an accident. And if you don't have an emergency fund, you either fall into heavy credit card debt or you're forced to break your investments. Your target should be to have at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses parked safely in a liquid, easily accessible fund, like a savings account or liquid mutual fund. This money is not meant for investing. This money is meant to give you mental peace. Moving on to the fourth and perhaps the most powerful habit, start investing early, no matter how small the amount is. The entire magic of compounding depends on time, not the amount. If you start investing just 5,000 rupees a month at age 25, you will build way more wealth than someone who starts at 35, even if they invest a much larger amount later. Why? Because you have more time on your side for compounding to work its magic. So if you haven't started investing yet, whether it's SIPs, index funds, or any proper instrument, take that small step today. Stop waiting for things to be perfect. The fifth habit is avoiding lifestyle inflation. As our salary grows, our expenses grow at the exact same speed. New salary arrives, a new phone follows. Got a promotion? Let's rent a bigger apartment. Because of this exact trap, many high-earning people never actually become wealthy. The rule is simple: whenever your income grows, a major portion of it must go into savings and investments, not just lifestyle upgrades. If your salary went up by 20%, your expenses should only increase by 5 to 10%, and the rest must go straight into savings. The sixth habit is understanding and using credit wisely. A credit card is not an evil thing, but when used incorrectly, it can become your biggest wealth killer. If you fail to pay your full bill on time every month, the interest you pay will crush all your hard-earned savings. Simple rule: treat a credit card as a convenience tool, not as extra income. Clear the full bill every month, and only spend what you can comfortably afford in cash. The seventh habit is diversifying your income. Relying on a single salary is risky. If you lose your job, your entire financial life comes to a dead halt. That is why you must work on creating multiple income streams, whether it's learning a freelancing skill, starting a side hustle, or building investments that pay dividends. In the beginning, it might look small, but over time, this second income stream can become your ultimate safety net. The eighth habit is continuously investing in yourself. Your greatest asset is you. Learning new skills, staying updated in your field, developing soft skills like communication and negotiation, these directly boost your earning capacity. A book, a course, a certification, these give returns far higher than anything you'd expect from the stock market. Because the more your income grows, the more you will be able to save and invest. The ninth habit is setting clear financial goals. Saving without a goal is like driving a car without a destination. You need to know what you are saving for: retirement, buying a home, children's education, or total financial independence. Define a specific time frame and a specific number for every goal. For example, I want a retirement corpus of 10 million by age 40. When your goal is crystal clear, your saving and investment strategy aligns with it automatically, and the final, 10th habit is reviewing your finances regularly. Once a month, or at least once every 3 quarters, sit down and check what is your savings rate, how are your investments performing, have any surprise expenses crept up, are you strictly on track to hit your goals? Financial health is just like physical health. If you ignore it, problems pile up silently until it's too late. So, those were the 10 money habits that can turn your 20s into the strongest foundation for your financial freedom. Remember, you don't need to master all of these habits perfectly, all at once today. Start with just one habit, follow it consistently, and then slowly layer on the rest of the habits. If this video gave you value, hit the like button, share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and if you want more practical finance content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments, which of these 10 habits are you going to adopt first? See you in the next video. Until then, stay smart, keep saving, and keep investing. Bye-bye.